Kamusta kayo? Or it means, how are you?
That's so polite. Even bring food.
In Filipino culture, food is love and sharing it is how we say hello. And before anything else, let's take some selfie.
Yeah, Joey. I told you, don't buy sauce from the store. Make it fresh. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Hey, look who it is. Maria, Villa. How are you doing? You look fantastic. You're working or what?
Please, Tony, I just walked fast. That's my cardio.
You gotta come over Sunday. We're making lasagna. Everyone's coming.
You really love Sunday dinner, huh?
Of course, that's how we show love. Big food, big family, big voices.